Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I have a wonderful recipe. Now, recipes are always wonderful. This is a special egg fried rice, and that is what we'll be making today. Special egg fried rice. So come along with me and let us do this together. For today's recipe, we'll be using prawns, spring onions, carrot, onions, green pea, oyster sauce, soy sauce, green chili, salt, chicken, and this is the king of today's dish, sesame oil. I'm using pure sesame oil, 4 eggs, and cooked rice. My rice is still very warm to touch, and this is jasmine sticky rice. And the reason I'm using jasmine sticky rice is because it has this aroma and is sticky. So when I'm cooking it, it gives me that special fried rice taste. And all these sauce you can get them from the oriental stores. So let's move on. So my wok is on the fire on the stove, so I'll be switching it on. On the very high heat. So when you are cooking your special egg fried rice, make sure you use a high heat so that you get that taste you get when you go to the restaurant. So I'll be putting in some oil, sesame oil, breaking my eggs, I'm using 4 eggs. Some salt, little bit of soy sauce, and just stir everything in. Make sure it is dry. It's wet and keep on stirring in. Now it's time to add our chicken. Adding some soy sauce. Some oyster sauce, some spring onion. All the measurements of what I'm using will be in the description box. Don't be afraid to stir. You can see that the color has changed already. Cooking it at home is super easy. We need the egg to be dry, not wet. And as you can see, the egg is dry. We are just waiting for the chicken to be done. I'll keep on stirring. I don't want anything to get wrong. If your wok is dry, just add oil to it. Mine is still wet, So I'll keep on stirring until the chicken is done. I will add my diced onion, diced carrots, the peas, because I want it hot. If you don't want it hot, you can leave out the green chili pepper. Some spring onion. I'm going to leave some for later. And you keep on stirring. Now I'm going to add a little bit of oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, and keep stirring in. This is when you put all the vegetables you want to put in. Isn't it wonderful? Look at it, look at the colors. So I'm going to allow this to cook. My prawns are going in now. Keep on stirring. The aroma of sesame oil in my house is so wonderful. I can see that this wok is not going to be okay to take all the rice, so it's not big enough. I'm going to swap it around with this other one, and I'll pour the oil, sesame oil. Make sure it goes around the pot. You can add a bit more. Now gradually I'm adding in my rice to the oil. And as I'm adding, I'm breaking it. My rice is still warm. And why I'm using warm rice instead of the supposed cold rice or the one you cook overnight is because with the cold rice it's going to be dry, it will be moist, so that's why I prefer to use the freshly cooked one, and it's warm. And you know the cold one, you are still going to allow it to get warmed up. Yeah, so there's no need for that with this one. And jasmine rice is full of fragrance. And it's sticky. It gives you that feel of, oh, I'm eating, I'm in one of my favorite restaurants, eating my special egg fried rice. So what I will do now is add, you know it's plain like this, it's plain, so add the remaining of the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. As you can see, I'm not adding any salt, because you have to be very careful. You have to be sure to mix all this together and add the vegetable, the chicken, and the fried prawns to see that, okay, I don't need any more salt. And if you need salt, then you add to it. Now it's time for me to add all the fried ingredients. I know your mouth is watering already. You are free to join us here. Then I'll add some fresh spring onions. I'm still leaving some for later. I'll mix everything together. This is it. There is no way you can mix it. Let's taste for salt and seasoning. Perfect. That's it. What we'll do now, switch off, take it off from the stove and serve. So super easy. This is our special egg fried rice. So you can see it's so colorful. Let's give it a try. So hot. So yummy. You can see I'm just nodding and dancing. Yeah, we did it. This is wonderful. So you see, when it comes to cooking, it's good for you to explore, because when you explore, you discover, and as you discover, you enjoy. It's time for us to go and enjoy our rice that we made today, a special one. Yeah, but before we go, don't forget to like this video, leave your comments in the comment section, share with your friends and family, subscribe and press the notification bell. Till next time, bye.